Now, let's move to the effect of nationalism in Nigeria. Number one, it gives impetus to the development of political parties in Nigeria. Number two, it encourages citizens to participate actively in the economic activities of their own country. Number three, it allowed citizens to take up a responsible post in their counties based on the motto, Nigerian for Nigerians. Number four, it motivated rapid political and constitutional development in Nigeria, which led to the gaining of independence. Number five, it helped to improve the country's educational system. Number six, it helps in the overall well-being of the country. Number seven, nationalism becomes the country's strength. Number eight, it works as a great source of inspiration. Number nine, it quickened political consciousness among the populace. Number 10, it led to constitutional changes and development. 11, it led to the formation of the press.